Today I am going to mention very long distance and very short distance and the distance which we are using in our daily life also and in the study also. Okay, let's start from the middle one. I mean to say the distance which comes somewhat in the middle side. Meter, and its symbol is m. All of we know this. And the bigger than a meter and smaller than meter, you can use this type of memory: millicentidecimeter, decahectokilometer. Millicentideci. Look at this. M-I-L-L-I, millimeter. Centimeter, decimeter. Okay, millicentidecimeter. Now I want to write with another ink. Look at this. Decahectokilometer. Now let's talk about DECA, decameter. Hecto. Decahectokilometer. Okay, these are the units which we know about them. Now I want to make a line over it like this. Here, kilometer and millimeter. These are the these are the units which we use normal in normal way. Kilometer is its unit is km. Its abbreviated form is km, symbol is km. Hectometer, hm, and decameter, dam, and meters, m only. Decimeter, dm, and centimeter, cm, millimeter, mm. We know this. Now there are some units which are bigger than kilometer. Bigger than kilometer: mega, giga, tera, peta, exa. Mega, M-E-G-A, mega. Now giga, G-I-G-A, giga. Tera, T-E-R-A, tera. P-E-T-A, peta. E-X-A, exa. Now megameter, gigameter, terameter, petameter, and exameter. Now above kilometer, the relation is gone up and up. There is the relation of 1,000 times greater. Okay, we'll take this later. This is mega meter, gigameter, terameter, and petameter, and exameter. In the same way, there are some units of length which are smaller than this millimeter. What are they? Micrometer, micro, nano, pico, femto, auto. Micro, nano, pico, femto, auto. Look at this. Micrometer, nanometer, picometer, femtometer, and autometer. This micrometer is symbolized like this: micrometer, nanometer, picometer, femtometer, and autometer. Now if we start from the middle again, this meter is, if taken as 1 means power of 10 is 10 to the power 0. if we start from this 1, then the decameter is 10 times greater than this 1. It means 10 to the power 1. And hectometer is 10 times more, it means 10 to the power 2, and this is 10 times more, 10 to the power 3. In the same way, at the lower side also, decimeter is 10 times less than meter. That's why 10 to the power, instead of 0, now what? Minus 1. 10 to the power here, minus 2, because 10 times more less, and 10 to the power minus 3. These are the quantities which are related in terms of multiple of 10. But above this and below this, they are related in terms of multiple of 1000. That's why megameter is 1000 times greater than kilometer. That's why 10 to the power 6. And here it is 10 to the power 9. And here it is 10 to the power 12. And here it is 10 to the power 15. And exameter is again 1000 times greater than petameter, 10 to the power 18. In the downward, this side also, the relation goes down with multiple of 10. This is 10 to the power minus 6. Now this 10 to the power minus 9, and 10 to the power minus 12, and 10 to the power minus 15, and lastly 10 to the power minus 18. It means attometer is 10 to the power minus 18 times the meter, but terameter is 10 to the power 12 times the meter. This way we can represent the relation between very small distance at to very big distance. Just remember this: milli, centi, decimeter, deca, hecto, kilometer. It's normal, and the relation is of multiple of 10. And beyond this, mega, giga, tera, peta, exa, and they are greater and greater in the multiple of 10 to the power 3 or 1000 times. And in the same way, micro, nano, pico, femto, auto, they are also reducing by 10 to the power 3 times less than the other the upper units. This way we can remember very long distance also and very short distance also. This is called metric system, and metric system is designed in such a way that each of the quantity is related to another quantity in terms of power of 10. Okay, this much for today.